Hey, what's up? I hope everybody's good. Now, today we'll be making a special cocktail. It's one of my favorites. It's called the apple martini, or the appletini for short. It's one of those simple to make, easy cocktails that's so much fun. Only contains like 3 ingredients, so let's make it. Okay, so first we'll be starting off with 2 ounces of vodka. An ounce and a half of sour apple liqueur. And a good ½ ounce of lime juice. Now we're gonna add some ice. Now, because an appletini is served without ice, you usually chill the glass first, which I already did. Now it's time to add the mix. And now we're gonna garnish. See, told you, another simple to make cocktail, just 3 ingredients. Fastly made, tastes very good, it's a very popular cocktail, so definitely it's good for parties and special occasions. It's more like a her drink, but guys like it as well. If you want to learn to make cocktails like this and other stuff related to bartending, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. Just like the video if you liked it. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Share it with your friends because I'm sure they want to know how to make it.